discover the amazing benefits of turmeric. Did you know that a simple cup of turmeric could be the key to significantly improving your health? In this video, we'll dive into the world of turmeric, an ancient spice that has been in the spotlight in both traditional Eastern medicine and modern Western science. This golden spice is not just an exotic ingredient in cooking, but a source of curcumin, a bioactive compound that has been shown to have numerous health benefits. For centuries, Eastern cultures have revered turmeric for its healing properties, and now, Western science is confirming what the East has always known. Join me on this journey as we discover how to prepare and use turmeric optimally to get the most out of its amazing advantages. And tell us, is turmeric part of your diet? Turmeric, in addition to its use in cooking, is used in the production of dietary supplements and personal care products, such as those for skin care. It is also used in the making of other products with potential benefits for human nutrition, as well as in dietary supplements. What are the nutritional components present in turmeric and its derivative, curcumin? Why is there scientific support for its usefulness, and what are these particular studies? Turmeric harbors a variety of essential nutrients, all with bioactive properties that can confer health benefits. A cup of turmeric can be beneficial for health. At the end of this video, I will give you detailed instructions on how to prepare it properly, allowing you to make the most of these remarkable benefits for your well-being. Turmeric contains curcumin, an extensively researched active compound to which numerous benefits are attributed, including those detailed below. 1. Antioxidant properties. Let's start with the antioxidant power of curcumin, the silent warrior within turmeric. This substance is not just another component. It is a formidable defense against oxidative stress, a villain in the world of health that accelerates aging and opens the door to diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular disorders like hypertension. What's most impressive is how modern science has begun to unravel and validate the power of curcumin. Recent studies highlight its role in the prevention and protection against chronic diseases, especially cancer and cardiovascular conditions. But how does it do it? The answer lies in two key properties of curcumin: its anti-inflammatory potential and its antioxidant action. These mechanisms are the pillars of the incredible benefits that curcumin offers for our health. 2. Properties that help reduce inflammation. Here we encounter the second superpower of curcumin, its ability to reduce inflammation. This is no small feat, as inflammation is like a silent fire that contributes to the development of numerous diseases, many of them chronic and degenerative. It affects everything from the joints to the heart and metabolism, and at the heart of these conditions is often an inflammatory process. The fascinating thing about curcumin is how science has demonstrated its anti-inflammatory efficacy. Imagine a natural warrior that can be especially useful for those prone to arthritis, especially if they have a family history of this disease. But the benefits of curcumin go beyond arthritis. It also shows promise in the treatment of metabolic diseases, cardiovascular disorders, and other conditions where inflammation is a key factor. Curcumin is not just an exotic ingredient, but a powerful ally in the fight against inflammation. 3. Reduces blood vessel generation. Did you know that an ingredient in your kitchen could have the potential to disrupt the feeding of tumors? The third impressive aspect of curcumin is its ability to slow down the formation of new blood vessels, a process known as angiogenesis. This function is crucial, especially in the context of cancer. Tumors need a constant supply of nutrients to grow, and they get it through these new blood vessels. Curcumin steps in here as a guardian, limiting or inhibiting angiogenesis. By doing so, it effectively cuts off the vital supply that tumors need to develop. From a scientific perspective, this is revolutionary. Although research is still being conducted to fully decipher how it achieves this, what we do know is that this represents a significant advancement in the fight against cancer. Curcumin is not just a seasoning for your dishes. It's also a potential ally in the battle against tumor growth. 4. Brain health. Curcumin has a direct influence on brain health. Research has revealed that it contributes to brain protection and decreases the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, particularly Alzheimer's. Its impact on diseases like Parkinson's is also beginning to be studied, both conditions primarily affecting older adults. Recent research has yielded promising results, highlighting significant improvements in memory and cognitive function, particularly in areas such as attention, concentration, decision-making, and memory. 5. Heart health. Regarding heart health, as mentioned earlier, curcumin plays an important role in preventing heart diseases. Numerous studies have been conducted in both the East and the West, supporting the benefits of turmeric in reducing the risk factors associated with heart diseases. This includes the ability to reduce so-called bad cholesterol and improve endothelial function. Endothelial function is essential as it allows arteries to contract and dilate properly, facilitating blood circulation to reach all parts of the body. 6. Metabolism care. Curcumin also plays a significant role in metabolism care. Recent research suggests that it can contribute to reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes in adults and may also have beneficial effects in the fight against obesity and overweight. This is because it has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance. Both factors, insulin sensitivity and insulin resistance, play a key role in the development of type 2 diabetes. Curcumin appears to have the ability to reduce this insulin resistance, which could prevent diabetes or have a positive impact on the management of overweight and obesity. What is the best way to prepare turmeric? It is a simple but important process to understand. Curcumin, by itself, has limited bioavailability, which means that some of it is lost and eliminated in the stool when we consume it. However, we can optimize its absorption by combining it with a key substance, black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which significantly improves the absorption of curcumin in our body. This way, we will make the most of the benefits of turmeric, minimizing losses. It is important to note that a small teaspoon of curcumin contains about 5 grams of turmeric, but we do not need that excessive amount. To obtain the desired benefits, around 2.5 grams of turmeric would be sufficient, and even 2 grams could be enough. Therefore, a small half teaspoon of turmeric powder would be adequate to take advantage of its properties effectively. Preparing a turmeric drink is a simple but effective process. Here are the steps. Turmeric powder. Start with a small half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Hot water. Pour hot water over the turmeric, but avoid bringing it to a boil. It is not necessary to boil it. Black pepper. Add a pinch of black pepper to improve the absorption of turmeric. Optional. Natural bee honey. If you wish, you can add a small amount of natural bee honey, about half a teaspoon, to sweeten the drink without adding unnecessary sugars. Mix and enjoy. Stir the mixture well and enjoy your turmeric drink. You can take it daily to take advantage of all the benefits we have mentioned. Remember that turmeric has an earthy and slightly bitter taste, so the amount of honey and other ingredients can be adjusted according to your personal preferences. Don't waste any more time and take full advantage of all the benefits that turmeric can offer you. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy all the benefits we have mentioned, integrate it into your routine, and improve your health naturally. If you find this information valuable, share it with your family and friends, and give the video a like. Your support is essential to continue bringing you interesting content. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to receive more tips and tricks on how to keep your body and mind in optimal conditions. Give it a like if you're eager to maintain your vitality, and share this video with your loved ones and friends. Together, we will achieve a better quality of life.